Russia is intensifying its use of tactical intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) drones as the conflict in Ukraine continues to evolve into a technology-driven artillery war. Recent developments indicate that Russian forces are actively training specialized crews to operate the Supercam 350M tactical reconnaissance drone, aiming to accelerate artillery targeting cycles and improve battlefield awareness along critical front lines. The training initiative, conducted by units within Russia's Center Group of Forces, focuses on expanding real-time reconnaissance capabilities along the Dnipropetrovsk operational axis, a region where artillery duels and rapid counter-battery engagements often determine the outcome of engagements. In modern high-intensity warfare, the difference between striking first and becoming the target often comes down to a matter of minutes. By improving the speed at which drones detect and relay target coordinates, Russian forces are attempting to reduce the time between detection and strike, commonly known as the sensor-to-shooter cycle. According to imagery and reports released by Russian state media sources, dedicated drone detachments are undergoing combat-oriented training exercises to master the deployment and operation of the Supercam 350M. These exercises simulate real battlefield conditions, including operating under electronic warfare interference, managing communication links, and rapidly relaying targeting information to artillery batteries. The Supercam 350M represents a significant evolution of the earlier Supercam 350 series, a family of fixed-wing reconnaissance drones that have seen widespread use by Russian forces during the war in Ukraine. Developed with support from Russia's defense industrial base, including entities associated with the Rostec State Corporation, the 350M variant introduces aerodynamic and technological upgrades designed to enhance operational efficiency. Engineers redesigned several core elements of the airframe, including the wings and control surfaces, to improve flight stability and endurance. Equally important is the modernization of the drone's ground control station, which incorporates more automated mission planning tools and improved software interfaces. These updates are intended to reduce operator workload and enable faster training of new drone crews. In a war where attrition extends beyond equipment to trained personnel, this focus on simplified operation carries strategic significance. A sophisticated drone is only effective if skilled operators can deploy it quickly, manage its sensors, and deliver actionable targeting data in real time. The Supercam 350M belongs to the Light Tactical Unmanned Aerial Vehicle (UAV) category. Despite its relatively compact size, the drone is engineered for long-duration reconnaissance missions that extend far beyond the reach of small quadcopter drones commonly used near the front lines. Published specifications for the platform include wingspan, approximately 3.2 meters, maximum takeoff weight, around 15 kilograms, propulsion, electric motor with low acoustic signature, flight endurance, up to 4 hours, operational range, command and telemetry link up to 100 kilometers. Typical cruising speed, 72 to 120 kilometers per hour. Operational altitude, roughly 150 to 5,000 meters. Operating temperature range, minus 45 degrees Celsius to plus 45 degrees Celsius. These characteristics allow the drone to operate effectively in diverse climates, from freezing winter conditions to hot summer environments. Another defining feature is the drone's field deployment capability. The aircraft can be launched using a portable catapult system and recovered using a parachute, eliminating the need for a runway. This means small teams can deploy the drone from forest clearings, rural roads, or improvised forward positions, allowing reconnaissance units to remain mobile and difficult to detect. The real power of the Supercam 350M lies not in its airframe but in its optical electronic sensor payload, which is optimized for persistent surveillance. Mounted beneath the fuselage is a gyro-stabilized gimbal system capable of maintaining steady imagery even while the aircraft maneuvers in windy conditions. Typical payload configurations include high-resolution still cameras ranging from 20 to 60 megapixels, daylight video cameras with optical zoom capabilities between 10 times and 3 times, thermal imaging systems for night operations, modular sensor mounts for mission-specific equipment. These systems enable operators to detect and identify targets such as artillery positions, armored vehicles, supply convoys, and troop concentrations from significant distances. The widespread use of drones has transformed the battlefield in Ukraine into one of the most technologically dense conflicts in modern history. Both sides deploy thousands of unmanned systems ranging from small quadcopters to larger fixed-wing reconnaissance aircraft. Within this ecosystem, the Supercam 350M occupies a vital role as a persistent tactical ISR platform capable of operating far beyond the immediate front lines. Its endurance, sensor capabilities, and electronic resilience make it well suited for the type of artillery-centric warfare that dominates the conflict. As long as artillery remains the primary source of battlefield casualties, the demand for accurate and continuous reconnaissance will continue to grow. For Russia, expanding the number of trained Supercam 350M crews represents a practical step toward tightening the reconnaissance-to-strike loop, ensuring that artillery units receive targeting information quickly enough to exploit fleeting opportunities on a dynamic battlefield. In the evolving landscape of drone warfare, systems like the Supercam 350M illustrate how unmanned reconnaissance platforms have become indispensable components of modern military operations, shaping the speed and precision of combat across the front lines of Ukraine.